Chapter 16, Natural Resources. Hello students. Have you ever wondered where we get things like water to drink, air to breathe, and fuel to cook or drive vehicles? All these things come from nature. In this chapter, we'll explore the natural resources that support our lives and how we must protect them to keep our planet healthy. Let's begin. What are natural resources? Natural resources are the things we get from nature. We use them for food, shelter, clothes, transport, and energy. Examples include air we breathe, water we drink, soil for growing food, sunlight for warmth and energy, fuels like coal and petrol. We cannot survive without these resources. Classification of natural resources. Natural resources are of two types. Renewable resources can be used again and again, do not run out if used carefully. Examples air, water, sunlight, and plants. Non renewable resources, found in limited amounts, take millions of years to form. Once used, they are gone forever. Examples coal, petroleum, minerals. So we must save and not waste them. Importance of air and water. Air, made of gases like oxygen and nitrogen. We need air for breathing and burning. It also helps in weather and cloud formation. Water, used for drinking, farming, cleaning, and industries. Only a small part of the earth's water is clean and drinkable. That is why we must protect water from pollution and use it wisely. Importance of soil and land. Soil is where plants grow. Land is used for farming, building houses, roads, forests. Good soil takes thousands of years to form. But if we cut too many trees or pollute the land, the soil gets damaged. We must take care of the soil by planting trees and avoiding chemical pollution. Sunlight and forests. Sunlight, the main source of energy for all living things, helps in photosynthesis in plants. We also use solar energy for electricity. Forests give us oxygen, wood, fruits, and medicine. Home to many animals and birds. Help control climate and rainfall. Cutting trees causes deforestation, which leads to floods and loss of wildlife. and loss of wildlife. We should always plant more trees. Fossil fuels and minerals. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels, formed from dead plants and animals over millions of years, used in vehicles, factories, cooking, and electricity. Minerals like iron, gold, and copper are used to make tools, machines, and buildings. Both are non renewable, so we should use them carefully and not waste them. Conservation of natural resources. We must protect and conserve natural resources by using only what we really need, not wasting water, electricity, or petrol. Following the 3 Rs: reduce, reuse, recycle. Planting trees and keeping rivers and air clean. using solar energy and public transport. Every small step matters. Conclusion. Let's remember, natural resources are gifts from nature. Some are renewable, some are non renewable. We use them in every part of life, but we must use them wisely. Protecting nature is our responsibility. So, students, let's promise to be nature friendly and help protect our earth for a better future.